The most crowd-funded cable in the world is now ultra-fast. Introducing inCharge X, the world's only 100 watts Keyring cable. Nowadays, we own many portable devices, but they often die at the worst times, and we need a bunch of bulky cables to charge them. That's why we developed inCharge X, a tiny, universal, ultra-fast Keyring cable. Why universal? inCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices from any USB or USB-C power source. Unless you are rocking a Nokia 3310, we most likely got you covered. inCharge X supports charging and data transfer. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. But it doesn't stop there. inCharge X is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. Chances are your devices support fast charging, so why waste time with a slower cable? Thanks to our N52 magnet system, you can snap it on your keys, on your backpack, or wherever you prefer. You'll never find yourself without the right cable again. Designed to last forever, inCharge X is made of an aluminum alloy with military-grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires reinforced with TPU and double-weaving nylon fiber. For an even increased durability, inCharge X has a protective cap